So Web3 is basically the next evolution of the internet. So Web 1 kind of started the foundation of the internet when it was just a bunch of computers networked together with wires, and it was really a read-only type of format where big companies who had the resources to be able to hire website developers to create website content for them were able to put content out on the internet for people to consume. As consumers, it was great because it gave us the opportunity to get a lot more knowledge besides having to go to the library or get books or read newspapers or magazines. So it was really kind of a content revolution from a consuming standpoint.
Mhm.
And then Web 2 really got into the read and write environment. So content management systems came out, blogging systems came out, social media. So now we had the opportunity to speak back. We could talk back to brands. We had opportunities for advocacy and we could complain if something didn't work out well. We could go out on social and post messages out there that the brand wasn't supporting their promises, and we were able to really start creating our own content. That's where content entrepreneurs came from. Content
Mm.
marketing really started getting formed because we were able to have that back and forth. And then what Web3 does is, so Web3 is supported by blockchain technology. And we'll talk about blockchain a little bit later, but it's basically a public database that can't be changed. And one of the key factors that this gives us is the ability to actually own digital property. So we can prove publicly that we own a particular digital asset. And this has really created, for the first time in history, the ability for us to manage our own data in a very personal way. It's created opportunities for token economies, so micro economies that we can create and we can manage. We can assign the value based on the community. And then this decentralized concept where now if you post something out on Twitter, that's owned by Twitter. They own that content. They control what data you can see. They control who sees that content. In this decentralized environment that is powered by blockchain and in Web3, we are really in charge of where our content lives, what content we see, and what data we want to share about ourselves. So it's just the next stage in the internet kind of.